This Christmas, I knew I wanted to make some of the gifts I'll be giving, as making your own gifts can be so much more personal, fun, and meaningful than something that's store-bought. It's a great way to put what we already have to use, get creative, and save a little bit of money. So this year, I decided to put together 12 DIY gifts here on my channel to share the joy and ideas with everyone, and I'm so excited to show you what I've come up with. I've tried to plan gifts that were quick and easy to make, that either included materials you already have or can access easily and fairly inexpensively. I also want us to be able to make items that will actually be loved, used, and appreciated by the recipient. So over the next 12 days, you'll be seeing a new video tutorial from me every single day, with a new gift idea, so there should hopefully be something for everyone. I hope you like what I put together and will try some of them out for yourselves, or even just be inspired to make your own gifts this year no matter what you create. So if you're looking forward to it, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss a video, and make sure to give this series a thumbs up if you'd like to see more DIY tutorials like these on my channel in the future. I hope to see you here tomorrow for the first gift idea.